Morning light over Betka shore, gold sand waiting by the tide. Footprints fading while the small waves roar. In this quiet place I come alive. The river pushes at the sand, holding back then shifting plan. Oh, it wants to run free. Betka, oh Betka, you call my name. Every soft wave washes off the day. Sun on the water, I drift your way on your open shore. My heart will stay. My heart will stay. Oh, Betka. Steady in the morning blue, shadow lines fall as seabirds glide. Clear green water pulling me through. In this calm world I find my stride. The river pushes at the sand, holding back then shifting plan. Oh, it wants to run free. Betka, oh Betka, you call my name. Every soft wave washes off the day. Sun on the water, I drift your way on your open shore. My heart will stay. My heart will stay. Oh, Betka. Under the white sky I stop and breathe, thinking of things I meant to leave. Betka's soft whisper settles me. In this moment I start to see, start to see. Ooh, hey. Ooh, you call my name. Every soft wave washes off the day. Sun on the water, I drift your way on your open shore. My heart will stay. My heart will stay. The tide runs slow, light on the surface begins to glow. Betka, I walk where your breezes blow. Soft waves fade